Hey guys, welcome. Another tips and tricks video. We're not exactly sure where this video is going to go, but this is a Saturday morning and I wanted to show you guys a little bit about what we do as far as some of our refurbishing. Today's focus is going to be on American Changer control boards. As you know, there are a lot of different ones, and I always like firing up these new green stripe hoppers for the first time. I don't have one on my test bench today that's been opened, so we'll start fresh. Alright, this is what you get. I've made several videos on this product, but the reason I keep going back to it is in the history of American Changer, and they have some very good products, but this is the best product I think they've ever developed in-house in Florida. They build it there. It's American made. So this is designed to go two ways. Okay, comes with a plate. You can run it in a front load. This would be a rear load configuration with the plate towards the back, and there's no change in the wiring. This would go up to the control board as we're about to show you. Let's see, let's run it this direction so the cord is out of our way. Alright, I kind of have this board in reverse order, so let's turn it over. Whenever you're working with a 24 volt board like this, zoom in a little, and you're going to run one hopper, the top left plug is the one that it goes into. Okay, power's off. Never work with these with the power on. Now this is not the newest universal board. This is just one that I'm going to check that was a trade-in from somebody that updated a system. So let's put some coins in it first, and then we're going to power it up and just take it through its paces. And not knowing if this board actually works. Alright, if anybody's wondering why we're using nickels, it's because nickels never disappear. They always seem to stay here as opposed to quarters. A lot of times buy Subway sandwiches, and she knows who she is. So, okay, anyways, let's, we've got Validator, hopper, sold out light plugged in. That's really your only three cords, and of course the power, 110 volts. So let's power it up. We have not had power to this board yet. Don't even know if it works, so we may be going to another one. Well, it sounds good. We have, alright, it sounds real good. Got 70, oh no, those are not sevens, those are question marks. I actually don't think I've ever seen question marks up there, but anyways, let's do this. Let's go through the programming first, and we will make sure it's set on one hopper. I'm propping the board up so you guys can see it. Always use something that's insulated. Alright, for you guys that are a little bit new to American Changer boards, I haven't really changed them. You've got your enter or select button, you have your down, and you have your up button. So we start out by the select button. Bills, we highlight it. What's it going to accept? It's got a 1. Hope you can see that. It's got a 1. That's for $1 bills. Now you notice the Y. Sorry guys. You notice the Y? That means yes. 2s is set on no. 5s is on yes, 10s is on yes, 20s on yes. That's exactly the way we want it. Okay, if you want to turn off, say, a 20, people are robbing all your quarters and you don't want to take 20s, you just go to your middle button, select, and you select it once and it'll go to N for no. Alright, let's go to Payout. Payout should be on 25 cents if we're taking currency and giving back quarters. Okay, let's say we were giving back nickels. We would change that to 5 cents. Okay, let's say we were giving back 5 tokens for $1. It set the value on 20 cents, so you would get 5 tokens. Obviously, you don't want to give 5 quarters back, or everybody in town will learn about your change machine. Okay, so that's set properly. Go to Select, and now we go to Hardware. Okay, Hardware's is our hopper and validator. So hoppers, we highlight. This is CC Talk. This green stripe hopper that I'm tapping on that you can't see, that's correct. Okay, now it's set on 1 hopper. I'm going to back out here a little bit. 1 hopper, top left plug. 2 hoppers right here. Okay, real easy to change. Now it's on 2 hoppers, but we don't have 2 hoppers on the bench today, so we're going to go back to 1 and select. We're going to go back to one thing, hardware, coin acceptor, which we don't have hooked up. Validator, MDB, which we're using, and I'll show you in a minute, a 27X2, so that's correct. MDB and 1, because we only have 1 validator. Okay, now we're back to square one. What we're going to do here now, we're going to put in $1, and we're going to see if everything's working the way we want it to. Now we may have a little problem. May. Not definitively. Okay, it's working. It's working, except it didn't dispense for some reason. So we have an issue somewhere here in this control board. We're not sure where. We always check, make sure our hopper is hooked up correctly, which it is. It has coins in it. What is puzzling me here is these 3 question marks that I know are a little hard to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the next board. So we know this one has an issue. Everything appears to be hooked up correctly, but it didn't take the dollars. Everything is set. So this is how we work downhill. As my old tech David would say. Be very careful when you unplug these. They do have, I don't want to say delicate, but wiggle it back and forth, pull them out. So anyways, we're going to label this board as far as what the problem is, and then we're going to move on to the next one. Now this one, same basic board. Okay, power's off. We can put AC to it. This is meant to go in a rear load AC 1005 or a twin machine, because it has, the display is what we call an auxiliary mount. Once this board goes inside, a lot of times it's hard to see that display. So this goes on the back door. That's why you have this amount of wire. So let's go to this board, and we'll see if we have any more luck with it working correctly with our new hopper and validator. Alright, we're going to hook up the sold out light just so we can kind of tell what's going on. We're going to go through the programming again on this one because we don't know what it's set on. So, alright guys, this is what we call the smoke test. We've never had it on, so let's plug it in and see. It's a good sign that our sold out lamp did flash once. That's part of the startup process. Alright, so this one, it's got a lot of money has gone through it. Okay. Oh, I forgot to hook up the validator. Alright, let's do that. Let's do that. Always work on it with no power, guys. Okay, there's the software. That's the running total, 99,000. Wow, almost 100,000 through this. Okay, the fact that we have no errors here is a good sign. Let's put $1 in and see if it comes up. It should say, I think, either busy or dispensing. Alright, what do we have? Busy. There we go. Alright. 4 coins, nickels, everything is working well. Let's go through the programming real quick. Select, bills, what's it going to accept? So yes on the 1s, no on the 2s, yes on the 5s, yes on the 20s, and back. Now we go to payout. Quarter, that's correct, for coins. Now we go to, we've done accept. Alright, done payout. Okay, hardware, hoppers. CC talk is correct. And we are using, once again, 1 hopper, top left. So I know the customer this one came from, and it was an AC 1005, which is just a small rear load car wash change machine. And so there you have it, guys. Let's put a couple more coins through our unit here so you can see the green stripe, 2nd generation hopper running. And like I said, they do run smooth. Well, if I had some decent money here, kind of a soft 5. There we go. Alright, we have 20 coins. For you guys that count fast, and I count pretty fast, that was 20 coins. So anyways, guys, we are, once again, if I had an award for product of the year, it would be right here. It would be the green stripe universal hopper that I call the 2nd generation hopper. I don't even know what American Changer calls it, but and by the fact it's universal, it can go either direction. So anyways, guys, we've got a lot of work to do today. Those are a bunch of 110 volt boards, which we still stock and we still repair for folks, and we still sell replacements. However, smart money really goes to the full upgrade to your change machine to a 24 volt. We just happen to have a lot of the 110 volt stuff laying around because we've taken so much equipment and trade over the last couple of years on our people that buy kits. We do give some money back when they send us in their old components. So anyways, guys, hey, listen, we appreciate your viewership. Help a small channel. The only thing I'll ever ask for you is just subscribe. It helps us and helps us grow. So for now, guys, stay strong. We look forward to the next one. Doug's World Tour. Out.